Okay, so now let's check our simple solutions, lesson number 63. Number 1, what kind of sentence is this? The colors in that rainbow are unbelievable. Is it a command, an exclamation, a question, or a statement? And this is an exclamation. The exclamation point at the end gave it away. Number 2, what kind of sentence is this? A sailor may spend many days at sea. Well, we have the choices up here to choose from. So let's see, is it a command? No, it's not telling anybody to do anything. Is it an exclamation? Well, it doesn't end with an exclamation point. Is it a question? No question mark. Is it a statement? It's just giving information. So yes, this is a statement. Number 3, draw a line between the subject and the predicate. All right, sparkling icicles and colorful lights decorated the tree. So our subject is sparkling icicles and colorful lights, and decorated the tree is the predicate. So we're going to draw a line between those two things, between lights and decorated the tree. Number 4, if a verb ends in S, SH, CH, X, or Z, add ES when the subject is singular. That means there's only one of them. For example, fix plus ES makes fixes. Write the verb correctly. Josh blank the game on television every Sunday. And our verb is watch. So we need to add ES to this and make it watches. Josh watches the game on television every Sunday. Write a verb to complete the sentence. Lisa hit the ball. Then she blank to first base. She was safe. The verb I would choose, and you get to pick whatever verb you want. And the verb I'm choosing is the verb run, but when we make it past tense, we're going to say ran. Lisa hit the ball, then she ran to first base. She was safe. You could have chosen a different verb. There were other things she could have done, like she could have skipped to first base. She could have hopped to first base. Those are some choices that you could have chosen other than the one I chose, but I chose ran. So that's my example. All right, let's turn the page. And let's look at number 6. Draw a line through the fragment. Remember, a fragment sentence doesn't make a complete thought. Like it doesn't have a subject and a verb. Snow was falling all afternoon. By dinner time, the drifts were so deep that Mara couldn't walk home from school, and the ice on the sidewalks. Which of these sentences is a fragment? I think it's this last one, because it does not have a verb. It has a subject, and it tells you where the subject is, but it doesn't tell you anything about it, like what it's doing or being or something like that. So draw a line through the fragment. This one is the fragment. Number 7, how many compound words can you make? Write at least 2. I'm just going to write mine, but you can write your other. I'm sure there are other ones in here, but I'm going to just write 2, and then you can write other ones as long as they're real words. Sometimes you can make a compound word and it's not a real word. Okay, and let's see. The first one I see right off is grandmother. And let's see. I also see grandchild. And let's see. Okay, so we did grandmother, grandchild, grandfather, grandson. And I think that's about it. You could make about 4 or 5, but you at least needed to write 2. Number 8, use an editing mark to show which word is not spelled correctly. The prettiest flowers grow in the sunny field. Well, prettiest is spelled wrong, so we're going to circle it and write SP over the top. That's the editing mark for spelling error. Number 9, use 3 editing marks to correct this group of words. The little family of mice inside the walls of the house. Okay, so the first thing I see immediately is that the F in family needs to be lowercase. Then we need a punctuation mark at the end, and I'm just going to do a period with a circle around it. And then we need to add something to actually make it a complete thought. So the little family of mice, and I'm going to add between mice and inside, lives inside the walls of the house. Now it says rewrite the sentence correctly. So we're rewriting this sentence correctly. The house, it was big and they were very comfortable. So I'm going to pay attention to the editing marks and correct the sentence. So the house was big and they were very comfortable. And add a period. Okay, so that's what your sentence should look like. And that's all for Simple Solutions today.